Hello everyone, this is Virtual Channel and today I got delivered this Casio vintage series watch and I'm going to unbox this watch. Yeah, and the price is 1095 rupees. Actually that is wrong price. I got this watch for 900 and so this is original one. I got original one because the barcodes are there. So let's open how to open this. Yeah. So you can see the Casio branding here. Yeah, and let's open the box. Oh, so pop off. God, so gorgeous watch. Let us see the module. Module number Casio module number is 587 590 593 596 1012 there's so much larger. Leave off. Let's take it out the watch. Oh, I got this all the Casio tag. Casio stores. If you have any problem with this changing of battery, you can view these stores. So you can see the all. Let's go to watch. Yeah, very small watch, tiny little guy. The watch is mineral glass, so reflective. And the back side you can see Casio stainless steel. You can see this because the camera quality is not good. The modes are alarm mode, the stopwatch mode, and this timekeeping mode. How to know this Casio is original or genuine one or fake one? You should hold this third button of right side bottom for 3 seconds. It should check Casio, so it's original one. And the second method is there are some codes here, some little bit codes, s dash 56, some like that codes are there, and you should recognize that is Casio is original. And here also should see Casio, and here also should say the stainless steel Colum Columbodia. It's from Columbodia. Yeah, this is have small light here. You can see this. It's growing nicely, but it's very poor, very poor. In the dark, it will grow very nicely. And more reflective watch, all got direction technology watch. It's a very vintage one. And the Casio, my model is 593, and the model number is A158W. Stainless steel, water resist, made in China. The all Casios are made in China. They are original. Made in China or Japan, Thailand, they are original. Don't think that the Chinese Casio is fake. Some are fake and some are original. If you got any Casio from China, you will think that is fake. That is not fake. First you have to hold this bottom button. It should say Casio, that is original. It should not say means it's fake. Thanks for watching, friends, and please subscribe, like the video, and comment something in the down comment box. Thanks for watching, friends.